Want to know how to use Unicode for digital business cards? You're in the right place. Whether you're just starting out or exploring better options, this quick guide will walk you through everything you need to know to create and manage your digital business card with Unicode, along with a few surprising twists at the end, so stick around. First things first, Unicode gives you a way to create personalized, digital business cards that can easily be shared via text or email. But what makes it stand out? Well, the platform's simplicity and sleek interface make it easy to create a polished digital card in minutes. Unlike traditional business cards, Unicode cards never get lost, can be updated anytime, and come with a real-time analytics dashboard that tracks who's viewed your card. Next thing, customization. When you create a digital card in Unicode, you're not stuck with a generic design. You can choose from a wide range of templates, customize colors, and even add links to your social media profiles, websites, or portfolios. This level of customization is great for professionals looking to make a memorable impression. However, keep in mind that while it offers a lot of flexibility, it's not as fully customizable as some other platforms that allow you to design from scratch or have more advanced features for personal branding. Now, let's talk sharing. Unicode makes it super easy to share your card, whether it's by email, text, or even through a QR code. The problem? Some users have reported that while it's easy to send out, not everyone's familiar with how to access a digital business card, especially if they're not tech-savvy. So, while it's an efficient way to share your info, it's not foolproof for all types of contacts. Next, let's talk about pricing. Unicode offers a free trial, which is great for testing out the features. But once you want to get into the premium features, things can get a bit pricey. Some users have felt the value isn't there unless you're using it heavily or need access to advanced features like unlimited analytics or the ability to add more contacts. For smaller businesses or individuals, the free version might work just fine, but be aware that premium features can start adding up fast. The fourth thing to consider is Unicode's integration with other tools. It plays nicely with Google Analytics and other tracking software, which is excellent for monitoring who's engaging with your digital card. But integration with CRMs and other professional tools could be more seamless. If you're looking for full integration with customer management systems, Unicode may not be the best choice for your business right now. Here's the catch. Unicode is a solid platform for digital business cards, but I wouldn't call it the best option for everyone. If you're looking for more advanced features like deeper customization, better integrations with CRMs, or additional business tools, you might want to check out alternatives. At the end of this video, I'm going to share an exclusive and extended free trial for Unicode, but I also want to highlight a few alternatives that offer great features for creating digital business cards that better suit your goals. These alternatives also come with free trials and special benefits that are available only through our link. So, make sure to click the link in the description to get the best free trial, plus those exclusive benefits only for our viewers.